This is a problem I tend to get in the spring, where my hose connects to my sprayer, it leaks. So let's go ahead and turn the water off and kind of take a look at it and figure out why it did that. Inside of hose connections, there is a small washer, or at least there was when it came from the factory. It sits right in here, except you can see in this one that the washer's gone. So it probably fell out when I was rolling up the hose or when I was storing the sprayer for the winter. Luckily, you can go to big box store, hardware store, and you can buy a small washer that replaces the washer that was in here originally that stops the leaks. And it has small little nubs on the side here in several places, so it kind of grabs the thread, hopefully keeps it from falling out again. So I'm going to go ahead and put this and push it into place right here, seat it to the bottom, and screw my sprayer back on again. And let's go ahead and turn on the water. There, no leaks. Now I have this nice tight hose that I can use. So if you ever have a leak in your hose, check and see if that washer's there. It could be that it is old and dried out and it just needs to be replaced.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.